I'm Abigail, this is Hassana, and of course you know, this man, Teklino. I'm recording these German. Anyways, thank you for watching the writing test for movies that we've been putting on YouTube. Today we're going to do some exercises. So this is how it's going to work. Give me that. What? Okay. If you see, we have got a
Right,
long
you don't
line.
have to go to the camera. You can just sit and tell them everything. Jose, please come back.
A
We don't have a
long
lot of
line.
time today.
Of a list. Okay, the first ones we're going to do. This is everything we're going to do. And we're going to do it so 5 times and 13
Reps.
5
exercise.
5 exercises.
13 reps.
13 reps
3 cycles.
and 3 cycles. Okay.
What does the total movement make?
It's equal to
100.
195.
Yeah, tell them. So they will make how many movements? 100?
195.
Okay.
I know. It is so impossible.
I need to do this.
Okay, maybe I should do this on my own if you two are not
So,
focusing.
Let's
I don't have
start.
the time.
Okay.
Stop it.
Let go. This is going to watch.
She is going to be exercising.
Look what I got. Okay, yes. Stretch. Let's go. Come on, focus. Stay back. Do not go to the camera, too close to the camera again. Right, stretch. Well done. Well done. Can you go a little bit closer to the side? Maybe we should remove this for now. Go back, step back, step back, step back. Come on, position. Position. Let go. For now. And we will use it again. Okay. Let's go. Okay, so as you go down, I'll go up. As you go up, I'll go down. So we can measure the space. Ready? You stay there. Wait for me. Now you go down.
Guys, can we do this now?
That's it. Now I'm smart. You don't mind. Now? Okay.
For free.
Well done, Steve. Now let's go. Right. Right. One side. Let's see it there. No, we haven't even started. We're just warming up. We're just stretching. Come on. One side. One leg. Both knees straight. Sit.
Okay.
Sit. And then hold your heel. Yeah.
Hill? Why is it called a hill? Is it because it looks like
It's
hill?
called here, my buddy.
Oh.
Now, don't bend your knee. Straight. This one is straight at all times. Both of them straight at all times. Okay? Well done, Missy. Now, kiss your knee. Yes, you can. Come on. Well done. Well done. Well done, well done, well done. That's great. Okay, now, on the floor. On the floor. Stay back, everybody, please. On the floor. Are you ready?
Yeah, not the
Okay.
floor.
Leg forward.
God.
Pull your leg.
forward.
Let's see. Come on. Right.
Oh.
Leg fold.
Oh.
Well done. Well done. Yeah, that's correct. That's correct.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's too cold.
That's it. That's correct. Ooh. Oh, this is nice. Yeah. That takes away my pain. Don't finish me. Okay. Ready? All right. Let's keep Mr. Compound circle. Come on. Stay engaged. Don't get a because I had to be a Let's go. Okay. Next. Change. This one straight. Well done, see. No, behind you.
Okay.
There you go. Now lean on it. Lean on it. Well done. Well done.
Done. Yeah.
Yeah. Oi, knee straight. Here. That's how it goes. Now, kneel. Further down, further down. There you go. There you go. It hurts, right? Yeah. It hurts us, yeah? Come on, you're cheating. Come on, you've got to lean on it. There you go. Now, lean to that side. Does it hurt a little bit? Okay.
Yeah.
Let's go. Oh, this is nice.
Why do you say nice even though it's painful?
This pain is really nice because it opens your legs to be fully functional.
Baby. Hi, baby.
What's the good when it hurts? Baby, what's the good when it hurts? I got a difficult question. What's the good when it hurts?
So something that hurts sometimes is good. What's special when you're doing exercise? That means you're engaging muscles that we're not working. Okay, let's go. Done? Okay.
Oh yeah.
All right. Remember, what's the most important thing here? Go back to the camera. I'm not going to tell you again. Come back. The most important thing is to have
Okay.
fun. Okay. Position. Right. You ready? When you do this, what's happening? What happens when you put your hand out?
You're stretching muscles in your
The lower back muscles. Okay. Back pain ደለኩም back pain ደለኩም ብዙሕ ከፍ ትብሉ ናይ ግድ እዚ ታሕተዋይ ክፋል ናይ ሕቆና ንሕር ክሰርሕ ኮይኑ እዚ ዓይነት ፑሽኣፕ ሲል ኖርማል ፑሽኣፕ ኣይሰርሓልካን እዚኣ ግን እግርና እንድሕኪልና ንእሽተይ ሓፍ ነብላ ኢድና ከዓ ዝጋዕ ድላዓለ ተድላዓለ ክንወስዳ ንኽእል
Why do you always have to do this? Because I was also doing it when I was doing my couple work.
True.
Why do we always have to do it again?
Because it strengthens the muscles. Then you don't suffer from back pain. Okay. Up. All in by your chest. The rest of the body is lifted, yeah? Why is this still there? Lift this up. Oh, harder. Push. Harder. Inside. Out.
It's free growing out.
Up. Kulite. Inside. Up. Celeste. Inside. Up. Abate. This is nice. Stop copying me.
Copy me.
Up. Hamushte. Stop copying me.
Stop copying me.
Ah. شدشته
شدشته
شو عدت Stop copying me. This is not cool. You're copying me too much.
You're copying
copying
me
me.
too much.
It's copying me too much.
Stop copying me.
Stop copying me.
Aserte.
Accept it.
Are you doing it exactly like me? You sure? Okay.
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 Let's see. Hands up.
See hands out.
ثلاثة تكلمات. عادي.
هذا.
عسرت حدا؟
أسعد هذا.
عسرتك.
أسعد. تكلته.
Stop copying me. عسرت ثلاثة. Okay. عسرت ثلاثة. ما قاعد نحجي. لا كرانش.
لا كرانش.
Stop getting too excited. Still. What's the? That's cheating. No, leave her. Leave her. That's fine. Let's see. Let's do the leg crunch one and then you go. No? It's going to be fine. Come on. It's never too much. Come on. It makes you stronger.
One.
Come on.
Hadi. Klitter. Yeah, Alice. This one.
Right. Okay.
I got it.
Got it. Fill it up.
Hamushta.
You're going straight into the camera. How many times should I explain if you get closer? They cannot see the movement, so you have to stay back a little bit.
All they need to see is the legs. Is it?
Well, it'd be nice.
This is my face, yes. It's like this. Cut it. Glitter. Skeleton. Butter. The point is to get your muscle core strength to top. If you have leg, if you're suffering from a leg disease, this might help you. If I'm correct, if I'm not mistaken.
You're right.
Okay.
No. You are doing amazing. Wow. Focus.
Okay.
You need to focus, girl. Turn around and focus. Come on. Whatever you do, the most important thing is focusing. Ooh, this is so hard. 5 more. Come on.
5 more, okay.
Let's go. هذا ثلاثة ثلاثة جواسي 4 1 more. حمشنا. This is hard. So this one is dead. This one is dead. This one is dead. No. This one is dead. It's put on a cover box. Okay. Next exercise. Next exercise. Oh, there's another one dead. These ones are done now. They cannot do it anymore. Who is the champion in this house? Who is the champion in this house? Who is the champion? Who is the champion? Who is? No, I am the champion. Well then. Come on. People are waiting for us to finish. Come on. Come on, let's see. Get up then. Get up. Come on, position.
Yeah.
Position for what?
Hand crunch.
Hand crunch.
Ready? Are you ready? حادث ثلاثة ثلاثة أربعة خمسة سدسة سبعة ثمانية تسعة عشرة. My goodness, you don't worry. صرت حادث. صرت ثلاثة. صرت ثلاثة. صرت أربعة. أنت كوبي تكبرني عشان خمسة. صرت سدسة. That's it.
That's it.
Stop copying me.
Stop copying me.
Position. I love you.
Stop copying me.
Stop copying me.
Stop copying me. Oh, don't copy me.
Okay.
Copy me.
Okay.
Every day.
Next one.
Okay, Daddy.
Come on.
Come on.
Right.
Come on.
Ready?
Ready?
Harder. If you're gonna copy me in everything. ثلاثة. ثلاثة.
But I don't have work.
أربعة.
I don't have a job.
خمسة. You're a scientist. سدسة.
I'm not.
سبعة. ثمانية. تسعة. عشرة. Oh, sorry. عشرة أحد. عشرة ثلاثة. عشرة ثلاثة. You got this. عشرة أربعة. عشرة خمسة. 5 more here. Amazing work.
No, Mommy. No more for me, Dad.
Huh?
No more for me.
You go only burpee left now.
Baby!
Yeah, I know it's slow. But one last one. Come on.
Honey, I'm gonna take all.
Come on, you what? Okay, three. Three as well. One, yeah?
5 maybe for you. We'll do 13. You do 5. Okay?
No, three.
How many threes? 2 threes? Or 3 threes?
Three.
Oh, that'll be 9.
3 times 3 is
2 threes, yeah? 2 threes. Okay, let's go. Ready?
Yeah.
Get back in position right here. When you go up, I'll go down, okay?
Okay.
Come on then. Up. Jump. Well done. Harder. Up. Little. Up. Up. Celeste. Up. 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 Almost there. Well done, Rosie. Jump. Well done.
Stay up there. Watch.
Good dish there. Whoa. Whoa. Jump, jump. Whole system. Sorry.
Good as
Show at the. Show Monte. Come on. Shot it. It's okay. Come on, you got this. Well done. Acerta. Wow, amazing. Next. She's doing well. Well done. 2, 3 more and then we're done. Just 3 more. Harder. Well done, Monsieur. Good at
There's no limit
Jump.
to playing. There's no time limit.
Alistair. Amazing work. Sit down. Sit down. Yeah, sit down.
It's time for me to
Right.
be with Mom.
Wait, don't forget about that.
This one is mine.
Huh? Okay. That's fine. Yeah, it's okay. I got it.
Okay.
Right.